Come on, let me show you something. Can you tell me what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean this? What? If you know what is it, just let me know. Let me know. Let me know. It means something. It's mean we need to wash it. No, 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 no. It's not. It's not. It's not. Should I tell you? Or you wanna see? You wanna see? Let's go. Good morning, guys. Okay, I just find this spot. It's beautiful spot, lake. So I'm gonna try to fish here. Not today. Today I'm just biking. I just brought my bike today with me. It's about 3 miles from my house. Uh, we'll see if we get something. See how beautiful and it's clear. Opa. Yeah, look, nature out here, and Texas does not disappoint. Look at them wings. I don't know what's wrong with him. I hope he's okay. How beautiful is it? Hey guys, howdy. Sometimes we just need to get out here and plug and just enjoy the ride. It's not about how fast you go or where you are headed. It's really about the peace you find along the way. It's good for the soul to get out in the nature and clear your head. Going up. Oof, this is really muddy. But where is the best spot? I'll try here, but we'll see. I got stuck. Oof. I'll go through. I got the bike, the mud. I'm gonna walk inside. Ooh. Keep going. I think this is good. It's a little bit dry. Ooh. Oh, and another one. I think I can pass this one. I don't need to get down. Get off. Ah, yeah, I made it. Good job. Yes. Yeah. We'll see how I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. Oh, this made it. What's in the middle? Not sure. What's gonna happen if I go down? Let's there's a bike and see how deep is it. Opa. See the bike, it's almost half in the water. And I'm not sure what's in the middle.
Let's try to skip it from here. I'm gonna go up. There. Yes, I don't think so. What's there? There's some fish there. I saw the fish jumping. I think this is a good spot. Yeah, probably we're gonna try it. All right? Yeah, I'm gonna come tomorrow morning and we'll see, guys. Almost there. Just want to see how deep is it. It's not that deep. Oh, this is gonna go down. Uh-oh, that's not good. The water hit my brake. Oh, my brake is noisy. Ah, it's gonna be muddy, muddy. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh. Yeah, this is part of biking. Okay, thanks, guys.
Guys, if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Outdoor hobby.